Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Welcome to this market report. Today we're Tuesday, July 8, 2014. Today folks, I want to bring to your attention a movement that we have in the gold and silver sector though. If you take a look at the situation on the TSX, we have a clear rebound that started since the beginning of this afternoon. And this rebound was led by who? The gold sector. So this sector here has performed really well. So this is where I'm going to focus my attention, show you the best breakouts that we have today in the sector, and also show you the stocks that should be watched for an eventual breakout if the bullish movement that is starting today is pursuing itself for the next few days. So let's start. First of all here, if we take a look at the gold sector, the sector is still within a sideways formation. As long as the gold sector doesn't go above 200 points, it's still in a neutral range. But the fact that we're starting to see some buyers doesn't mean that we cannot actually start to acquire some long positions. So among the stocks that are breaking out today, there's Franco-Nevada. Actually, Franco-Nevada, it's among our favorite, and this is why we recommended that stock on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. So Franco-Nevada is one of our best bets so far. What we like with that stock is the fact that it's clearly making an all-time high, breaking that resistance. And if you're getting in today on Franco-Nevada, your stop loss should be on the break of that support, so around 59 bucks. Barrick Gold is also a stock that's interesting. I expect a first pause in Barrick Gold around 21 bucks. The other target could be around 23 for Barrick Gold, but still, you have to put your stop loss though because the sector is still within a neutral range. So do not be caught in this movement. Do not be in a buying spree. It's important to limit your loss potential. And this is why if you're buying Barrick Gold today with a target of 21, you have to put your stop loss around 19 bucks. Premier Gold Mines is also one of the greatest breakout today in the gold sector, but it's already taking 8.81%. So the stop loss is really far away. The loss potential is really great on a stock like Premier Gold Mines. This is why that stock would not fit among our criteria to be put among our analyst choice portfolio on marketgurus.tv. But still, if you're getting in on a stock like that, make sure that at least you put a trailing stop loss of 7% or so just to minimize your exposure if ever the stock loses that. Now, what other stocks that should be put on your watch list if the bullish momentum continues? Well, then I think you should watch Goldcorp. 30 bucks on Goldcorp, I'm a buyer. Torex Gold, 165, I'm a buyer. Guyana Goldfields, 269, I'm a buyer. Eldorado Gold, 812, I'm a buyer, because at 812 though, look at all this resistance that Eldorado Gold will break. So definitely that will be really interesting for Eldorado Gold if it could break that resistance. So I think it should definitely be put on your watch list. Now on the silver sector, just like the gold sector though, we still have silver that is staying within its sideways formation. But there are already some breakouts in the sector. You have Endeavor Silver that is breaking out today slightly. So if you're getting in an Endeavor Silver, stop loss should be around 550 on the break of that support. There's Silver Wheaton, which is also breaking out slightly too, but you have to put your stop loss at 27.60. The only thing I don't like with Endeavor Silver, the Silver Wheaton, is that I see a potential until 30. So yeah, it's about 10%. It's almost, it's not really 10%. It's about 6.7%, 7% maximum. So this is what I don't really like with Silver Wheaton, but still, it's a nice breakout on a stock like that. Elsewhere, I think you should put on your watch list Silver Corp Metals at 230. You should also put on your watch list Max Silver at 1027. So if you take a look at the list here, most of the other stocks that are not highlighted with an S are stocks that are breaking out, and all the ones that are highlighted with an S are stocks that you should put on your watch list. It's an early movement. The gold and silver sector have not started yet a bullish cycle, but are still just testing the top of their neutral range. So if the bullish momentum continues, we could have a bullish cycle, and those stocks that you see highlighted with an S might give clear buying signals. So this is why it's important to not be caught up in this movement and put your stop loss on those buying opportunities. So that said, this was Christian Charlo from marketgurus.tv. You can have access to marketgurus.tv for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. I wish you a good trading and see you next week for your market report.